Hi everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy, and this is for February. It's a little bit late. It arrived a little bit late, but I've been having computer problems, so I am so sorry. I've been having to do my setups a little bit differently, but let's just get right in to this. Looks like first thing is this blush brush from Shayna B, Miami, and I have brushes from Shayna B, and it looks like it comes with like a little cap thing to keep it clean and dry, I think, and it feels pretty soft. I like the other brushes that I have, so it's probably going to be, you know, just as good. And I'm imagining it's going to be just as good. It seems like it will be. And then what else is in here? So this is the bag. Oh my goodness, it's very, very, very cute. It's a little envelope with a kiss, and it's actually sealed with a kiss. Literally sealed with a kiss. If you ever wanted to kiss a bag, you now can. And it says made with love as opposed to and then the stamp is Ipsy. So this is super cute. Let's see what else is in here. You always get this literature, and it tells you a little bit about what's in here. And the first thing I dropped, so or the second thing I dropped, and it is Soroki. I don't know how to say this. I'm actually going to use the little cheat sheet. Soroki Morning Water Drop Cream. So this is a deluxe sample size, and it's a, I guess it's a water cream. I like water creams. They're like moisturizers, but super, super, like wet, not sticky feeling, but like watery wet and water cream, and they're really nice and light. The next thing is Naked Cosmetics, and this is a lip scrub, and I just used a lip scrub up, so that'll be replacing that. And the next thing is from Pixi. I like Pixi. It's Endless Silky Eye Pen. I think this is in black. So it says eye pen, but it's like an eye pencil, like an eyeliner pencil. In black, which is simple and basic, but something I would definitely buy. And it's full size too. Okay, so then the next thing is Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner, and I think this is the choice that I picked for this month. And the reason why is because I have this big, long, thick mane of curly hair, and I always use product like this every single day in it to keep the frizz down and maintain the curls, etc. And in this climate, my hair frizzes up anyway. Like today is probably the best you're ever gonna see my hair. This is like the best it looks. And it has looked and will look worse. Anyway, so that is everything. Tell me your thoughts about Ipsy below. Please like and subscribe and all that good stuff if you want to help support me, if you like this video. And that is everything. Thanks for watching.